Yeah.
He is, no, he is from...
Mama, youngest first or the oldest first?
Oldest first.
Ginawa ni Mama. Oh,
No,
oldest first
no,
daw, sabi
girl.
ni... Duh.
Yeah.
Duh.
Bro, insulted me.
Okay, so, he is from...
Okay,
Why did you insulted
I'll
someone?
decide.
Okay.
Oldest first.
Oh. Okay, so...
That's
he
what
is,
I said.
But you're younger than me. Okay, what?
he is from... Wait.
Okay, I have a character in my mind. All of you try to guess it.
Okay. Wait, where is it from? What series?
I can only say yes or no.
Marvel.
Marvel? Illumination?
Ah,
Sige.
one guess. Ay, ito, ganito na lang. One guess. Tapos ikot. O sino yung makaguess, yun yung panalo.
Illumination?
Illumination daw, galing illumination.
Marvel.
Dapat si Omar ko yun.
Cars?
Person?
Alien?
Ano? Okay. Again nga, Rian, Marco. Rian, Marco, Anthony, and then me again.
Star Wars?
No, Rian first.
Okay. Universal Studio.
Wait. Yeah?
Star Wars.
I don't know,
No, that's in Disney.
Maybe. Maybe.
No, that's in Disney na yun.
Jurassic Park.
No?
Wait,
Out of space.
wait. Illumination? Illumination?
Hindi nga.
No.
Minions. No, that's Illumination.
Minions?
Don't.
Despicable Me too.
Minions?
Despicable Me too.
Yellow.
Yan correct. Minions.
Marcus correct.
Yung may isang
Illumination
mata.
na yun.
Illumination man yun.
Ay, ba, hindi ko alam kung may illumination.
Wala. Mami, you didn't know Minions is from Illumination.
Ano ba illumination?
Minions.
Parang branch ng Universal.
I'm so sorry.
Parang picture ng Disney.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Okay, my turn. I'm thinking.
Dako pa rin. Maghula lang kayo.
Ay, si Mami Lotte pa din.
Sige, game.
Rian, go.
long na ate video mo.
Alien.
Hindi.
No, Rian first and then you.
Rian first.
It's okay. She
Disney.
didn't know.
Disney? No. Disney?
Fictional?
Wait lang. Fictional pwede.
Pwede.
Disney, hindi ko sure kung Disney member siya eh.
Yes lang, ano lang.
Ikaw, Rian, what's your hint? What's your guess?
Can you give us a hint?
No hints.
Ikaw.
Sige, I will give you a hint. May sungay.
Huh?
May sungay.
It has horns?
Yeah, sungay.
Devil.
No.
Unicorn.
No.
Universal.
Sure kung universal siya. I'm sorry, hindi ko makapasado yan.
Animated?
Animated, syempre.
Fictional.
Yes.
Fictional, yes. Yes.
Purple yung balat?
No.
Red.
No.
Blue.
No.
Animal?
Purple.
Animal?
Yes.
Hindi. Bibigyan ko pa ng clue.
orange.
Second clue,
Second
listen.
clue. Mayaman.
Maya. Ano yung maya? What's
Duck.
that?
May pera. May
Rich.
pera.
Rich.
Scrooge McDuck.
Ha?
Scrooge.
No.
Mr.
Siguro pag nalaman ito, sasakali na katulong.
Fast forward, bro.
Old ba? Old?
Oo. Alam na ipapunta, malit pa lang siya.
Duck ba siya?
Maliit pa lang siya, alam na niya
Oo,
yan.
pero syempre,
Donald
kailangan
Duck.
tayo nito.
Donald Duck.
Kailangan tayo nito. Alam ko yun.
Donald Duck.
Apat pa nga eh.
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
No,
Donald
that's a
Trump.
president of US.
Ow.
Makikita ko sa laro
Eh?
ng tayo nila
Fictional
malit
na
siya,
yun.
nakaganyan.
Hindi
1, 2,
fictional.
3. Wala?
Marvel?
Marvel, yes?
Loki.
Ay, wait lang. Hindi ko siya kung Marvel
Loki,
siya.
si
Kung
Loki.
kalaban ni Marvel.
Si Loki.
No? Oh,
May helmet.
baka may yung helmet niya, may gano'n. Oh.
Sungay.
Bakit?
Thor ba?
Pampalaro yan, hindi si Thor.
Naalala ko na nagsabi mo pag ganyan.
Flash.
Did it Spider-Man?
Flash.
No.
Did it the Hawk?
And then this is
Color, type glue, color black,
Black
Black
Panther.
Panther.
Batman.
Batman.
Biden!
Oh, bakit? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko alam eh.
Are you gay? Papu mo around you if
May
you're
sungay.
gay.
Batman.
Remember ka na tuloy yung ano, no, yung kanto.
Kakadami ni tayo dito. Iba't ibang klaseng
Ayun, tayo na.
Batman.
Is it my turn na?
No,
Oh.
It's always mami. It's never your turn.
Your ano lang, your
Okay,
hula.
game. Oh,
Mami,
next.
pala, mami,
Oh,
na
game
mami.
ulit next.
Marlon?
Sige, oh,
Hindi.
food naman.
Food.
Asian.
Pwede.
Gorilla. Gorilla.
No?
Chicken.
Philippine.
No?
Philippine.
Pwede.
Adobo.
Adobo.
Wait lang.
Ano adobo?
Adobo. Chinese.
Ano adobo fruits?
Uso sa
Pwede.
Tagalog. Uso sa Tagalog. Uso sa Tagalog.
1,
Hindi.
8, 7, 9,
Oh, second
Five.
clue.
4.
Second clue.
Ah,
Kinain mo ito sa Japan.
Tonkatsu.
No?
Is
Yeah,
it
Wagyu.
Okay, is it
Wagyu.
associated? Is it associated with ano?
Wala na
I
yan,
already
wala
guessed it.
na.
Na.
Is it
Wagyu na, Wagyu.
Wala na.
I already guessed it.
Oh, wala pang score. Yung dalawang gold, may score na. Wala pang
No.
score.
Si Marco na, may cookie na lang
Ay,
pala.
oo.
Huh?
Yung
Wala
talaga
pa
niya
score.
score, the minions.
Ay, oo, the Minions ka pala. Bugi na lang wala. Oh, bugi na mabot ka.
Science.
Oh, science.
I don't know science.
It's okay.
Science.
Yeah, it's okay.
Dinosaur. Isip ka ng dinosaur.
Dinosaur,
That's
dinosaur.
history.
No, clue. Hard. Very hard.
Ay,
Steel.
Diamond.
No?
Crystal?
No?
Carbon.
Dioxide.
Carbon?
Carbon
No?
fiber.
No?
Carbon dioxide.
Sa
Carbon
You
fiber.
hit so you can get a
element.
point.
Yeah, part of element.
Iron.
Iron.
Gold.
Wait lang.
AU.
What is iron?
AU. Ayun eh.
AU,
Iron.
girls?
F.
What
AU.
is
Hey,
iron?
you girl.
AU.
What is AU?
Gold.
Gold.
No?
Element ng iron.
What is iron?
Iron is a steel.
Still, no?
Gas.
No.
Is it associated with elements?
Yes.
Earth.
I don't know.
Look at the basics.
I don't know. Second clue. Ginagamit ito sa pag-build ng bahay.
Wait, agad?
Pag-build ng bahay.
Concrete.
No?
Wood.
What?
Wood.
No?
Steel.
No.
Iron.
No.
Rock. Cement. Cement.
What's ano?
Cement.
Ikaw.
Cement.
Marco.
Wala.
Cement.
No.
Rock. Rock.
What?
Rock.
Yeah. Right.
Wait.
Very good.
Wait,
Pinalog ni Kuya kaya
Si Rian nakapoint.
Wow.
Sabi ako na rock.
Ah, you didn't say.
I said. No, you didn't say.
I didn't
We didn't
hear
hear
you.
that. Because you
Yeah.
weren't paying attention.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Because you were not paying
In my calculation, we aren't supposed to get a point because he said that first.
One all.
attention.
1 point each. Rian.
Here.
What did I say?
Oh, one last. Okay. Blue or color white. Sometimes white, sometimes blue, sometimes many color.
We're already here.
Oh my God.
Sometimes blue, sometimes green, sometimes orange.
Here in our
Yeah. And the second
No
one
powers.
is 4 wheels.
Car.
Car.
Train.
Of course.
Lightning McQueen.
Turn it off now. We're here in the hotel.
How is that blue?
Yeah, because